Hello wine lovers! Selecting a bottle of wine can often be an exceptionally daunting task, especially if you don't know where to start. I thought I would kick off my new Wine Matter series with my top affordable red wine. All the wines I've selected are R100 or less, and in my opinion, great value for money. I think I need to add that although you get what you pay for, as far as wine is concerned, you can actually get good quality wine for an affordable price, and hopefully the ones I'll share with you will enlighten you and make you more confident when you're purchasing wine in the future. I'm not going to go into too much detail with the wines that I've selected. I'm going to give you an idea of what they are, how much they cost, and possibly where you'll be able to buy them. I will include a link to a detailed blog post, which I will do, and that will have more specifics about each wine, as well as tasting notes and food and wine pairing. These are a few of my favourite affordable reds, as well as a few recommendations from fellow wine lovers. So I hope you enjoy these. Please let me know if you have tried any of them, leave a comment below, and I hope you enjoy them. One of the first wines I want to mention is one of my favourite affordable reds, and that is the Shiraz. It's a 2016, and I buy mine from Baldrick at $79.99, and it's a great wine. I love it for every day. Shiraz is one of those wines which will pair well with most food, but particularly bold flavours like red meats, even your kind of stews and that sort of thing for winter, so it's a great affordable wine for winter. The second wine on my list is the Vondeling Baldrick Shiraz. It's 2017 and it is 95 rand a bottle. It is actually one of the wines that I've just recently been introduced to, and this was one of the ones recommended by a fellow wine lover. And as I mentioned, Shiraz is a good food wine, good for winter, great for bold flavours, so definitely one that you should add to your list if you haven't tried it. The next one on the list is a Landskroon Merlot, a 2016, and it is 71 rand a bottle. And although Merlot is not my particular favourite when I'm choosing red varietals, I was very surprised by this wine. And another tip, if you are buying wine, especially for a dinner party and you're not sure what people actually enjoy, a Merlot is actually a good all-round wine. The following wine is one that if you haven't heard about by now, you've probably been living under a rock, and that is the Beyerskloof Pinotage. Pinotage is actually one of the varietals, the red varietals, that is unique to South Africa, and a great idea if you're having maybe overseas guests over and you want to introduce them to something different. As with Merlot, as I said, it is a wine that pairs with a variety of food, so you could quite easily have that at a dinner party when you do not know the wine preferences of the people, the guests that you're having over. The Beyerskloof Pinotage comes in at also a very reasonable price at 75 rand a bottle. It's widely available, so most retailers, wine shops, online as well, you should be able to find it quite easily. Number 5 on the list is another Pinotage. It's the Backsberg Pinotage. One of my favourites as well when it comes to Pinotage, and it's a 2017 and 79 rand a bottle, so again, really great value for money and under 100 bucks. Next up we have the Beyerskloof Pinotage. The Mayfort is a blend of Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc and Merlot. The Mayfort comes in at 95 rand a bottle, so it's a little bit more expensive but well worth it. The next wine is from Stellenbosch Hills, and it's their funky Polka Dry range, which is a Pinotage Merlot, and at 49 rand a bottle, really affordable. Just making it onto the list is the Neil Ellis Cabernet Sauvignon Merlot at 99.99 a bottle. A little bit more pricey, but definitely worth it. So cheers, I hope you've enjoyed my recommendations, and please let me know if you tried any of the wines or if there are any others that you think should be added to the list. I'd love to hear back from you. That wraps up my list of affordable red wines under 100 rand, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Please check back soon, and thank you for watching Wine Matters, and cheers, enjoy your wine.